Boy, this thing's heavy.
3, 2, 1.
Do it yourself. Down here with a heavy, heavy bag of Trolli Sour Brite Crawlers. Cherry and lemon and strawberry, grape, orange and lime. All the flavors. That's what they look like. Tangy goodness. Sour. Sour too, okay. Yep. Trolli Crawlers. Trolli Crawlers. Try saying that real fast 15 times. I think I got all the flavors now.
What do you think of them?
Well, they're good.
No, you don't really like sour stuff, right?
Oh, sour's good.
Sour's good? It's just spicy?
I don't think my dentist would like these too much. But I can't answer for someone else. So this has a Ziploc bag, right? You can lock them back up.
Yeah, try them out.
There. I think I got it. Better now, flat. Nobody else can go after these fat-free, cholesterol-free snacks.
Are they sugar-free?
You're stretching it there, partner. They're calling total sugars 13 grams. 13 grams added sugars. And they're calling it 28%. 28% there.
Wow.
Down at the bottom.
Yeah, 26%.
26. Oh, 26%.
And that's just from eating 2 of them?
Well, let's see. 7 of them. Gotta eat 7. I think I ate 4.
No.
6?
Probably had about 14.
No.
That's 50% of your daily sugar.
I maybe snuck a few in there, but I think I only had 4.
If you have 28.
I had 1 of each flavor here, and there's 6 flavors. So I was still under their portion, what they call a portion at 7 pieces.
Yeah, but you had maybe 6 or 7 before you started counting.
I was sampling the tangy goodness and the sour, mouth-meddling tangy goodness. So these things are something. I gotta say, this bag is heavy.
How many pounds? 1.3?
1.3 pounds.
Have you ever had gummy worms?
Yeah.
That's what those are.
The thing is, the sugar is splattered on the cover of these, and the gummy bears the sugars inside. There is nothing on the surface with gummy bears. And, so this is a real fun treat here. Trolli Sour Brite Crawlers. This is for the real meat eaters in the candy snack department.
Yeah, if you have 1 a day, you'll have...
1 a day, you're gonna be healthier and than anybody.
That bag will last for a long time.
The bag will last you a long time. What does that say down there? Don't
eat and drive.
Don't
leave us, eat us.
Don't leave us either.
Eat us.
Don't eat us. Don't leave.
No, don't leave us, eat us.
Don't leave us, eat us.
So they want you to stick with their brand and only.
Oh, I see. They don't want you switching to the other brands. Okay.
Yeah, once you go to Gummy
Don't,
Worms, they can't.
don't
go back
leave
to
us,
theirs.
eat us. That's kind of a thing. We should say that about our channel too, or something, right? Don't leave us. And so, what's our time?
6 minutes.
Wow.
Turned out to be a record.
I thought we were doing shorts.
Oh, you bring out the Sour Brite Crawlers.
Yeah.
Any final remarks here?
There's got to be a treat for somebody. Johnny Carson used to hold up products and stuff and make fun of them. I never make fun of the products I hold up, but nobody ever watches anyway. So I think they ought to watch sometimes and see what we're saying and what we're recommending and what we think is good and all that kind of stuff. It might save you the problem of spending the money when you're at the supermarket, or it might be something that you know you're going to probably like, and then that's a different story. So there it is, Trolli Sour Brite Crawlers.